Hi there! Welcome to your virtual lab. For the next few weeks, we will be going through the lab experiments that we would be doing if it wasn't for the coronavirus pandemic. We will be learning about a series of biochemical tests that can be used to identify an unknown bacterium. You will be responsible for answering a few questions each week that go with the tests that you'll be studying. These questions are mandatory, as they will add up to replace your lab report points. In addition to the lab questions, you will begin to receive lab results to interpret that will help you identify an unknown bacterium. We will use DNA sequences and free tools available on the internet to confirm the ID of your unknown. I'd like to start with an eye test first. Can you tell the difference between these two animals? How? How can you tell the difference? What are you using as clues? Can you name these animals? Of course you can. There's a lion and there's a tiger. Here are a couple of different bacteria. Can you name them just by looking at them? No? Okay, I'll help you out. One of them is S. marcescens and the other is E. coli. Now you know, right? Okay, I know that wasn't fair. S. marcescens is on the left and E. coli is on the right. I didn't expect you to know that. If somebody had just given me two microscopes with bacteria and said, "What are they?" I probably wouldn't be able to tell either. The point is that many bacteria look a lot alike if we simply stain them. Staining, even if we do multiple stains, isn't enough to necessarily help us distinguish among bacteria. It can help, but it isn't enough. In a microbiology lab, scientists rely on whole batteries of tests to look at how bacteria process nutrients and then use that information to identify them. Another common technique is to use the DNA genes inside of a bacterium to help identify them. We will look at both over the next few labs to help you identify an unknown bacterium that I will provide to you. Your objectives for this week, though, are to state the purpose of the MVIC collection of tests. You'll need to also name the tests of the MVIC and explain what information they give us. Finally, you'll need to interpret the results of an MVIC test. You will accomplish all of this by reading the MVIC portion of your lab book. And as you're reading, why don't you make some notes about each test, like what kind of medium is used, what information the test gives, and possible results. I've also provided some short videos that will explain the same information. After you've done the reading or at least skimmed the material in your lab book and or watched the videos, take a bit of time to answer your virtual lab weekly questions. They will be due on April 6th. Later this week, I'll send you the first set of results from your unknown. Are you excited? I am. I can't wait to see what you come up with.